Hello students, today we have to start your practice set 2.4. In earlier video, we had already learned that what is the formula method for solving the quadratic equation. So this practice set is depend on this point, okay? So now, when we solve this practice set 2.4, we have to need to understand first of all formula for solving quadratic equation. So this concept we had already learned in previous video. So if you don't know what is the formula for solving the quadratic equation, so first of all watch the video regarding this point. Okay. Now in this video we will discuss about the practice set 2.4. So what is the question number 1 here? That is compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the value of A, B and C. So we have to given one quadratic equation here, and by using this quadratic equation, the given quadratic equation is compared with what? General form. What is the general form of the quadratic equation? When we talk about the general form of the quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means we have to compare our given equation with this equation. And then we have to calculate the value of A, B, C. That means this and this. We have to find out these values. Okay. So how to solve this question? So we will do this one. What is the first question? That is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So when we solve this equation, we have to compare this given equation to the standard form or general form of the quadratic equation. So how to write? We have to write down here, compare x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 to what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, compare x square x square minus 7x plus 5 with ax square plus bx plus c. Then we have to get here what? Then we have to get a is equal to what? A is the coefficient of x square. So this compare with this one. So x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? That is 1. Now next b. B is the coefficient of x. So this term is compared with this one. X square x. What is the coefficient of x here? That is minus 7. So put here minus 7. Then c. That means constant term. That is your 5. Clear? That means we have to get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Now next thing is that next question 2m square is equal to next question 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. 5m minus 5. So how to solve this? First of all, rearrange this equation. That means we have to change the side of this term. So we have to get here 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now compare this statement with, write down, compare 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore, then we have to get here what? Then we get, what is the value of a? Coefficient of x square. Okay. Now in this equation, given equation, what is the variable term? That is m. So we have to write down this one in m variable form. That is am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So coefficient of m square and coefficient of m square. This one is a and this one is 2. That means a is equal to 2. Then b. That is minus 5. and c is equal to plus 5. Okay, that means in this given quadratic equation the variable is m. So therefore we have to write down the standard form like am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Now third question from this one, y square is equal to 7y. Okay, third, y square is equal to 7y. Okay, so we have to do here some arrangement. What we have to do? We have to change the side of 7y, and there is one constant term? No. So we have to put here plus 0 is equal to 0. Now compare y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0 with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what is the variable term here? That is y. So put here y. That means you have to get ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. So therefore a is equal to, what is the coefficient of y? That is 1. Y square. So coefficient of y square is 1. Now coefficient of y, that means b. B is equal to what? Minus 7. And c is equal to 0 here. So in this way you have to complete your question number 1 from practice set 2.4. Now next question you have to solve here, that is question number 2. Next question, question number 2, solve using formula. Okay, when we get the formula here, we know that the formula of the solving quadratic equation. So what is the formula for solving quadratic equation? I am writing here. X is equal to minus b plus minus root of 4 b square minus 4ac, sorry, b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Upon 2a. So by using this formula, we have to find out the, or we have to solve the given quadratic equation. Clear? So what is your first question? That is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this quadratic equation with the help of formula. Okay. So first of all, what is the first step? First of all, compare this equation. What we have to write? Compare x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Okay, what we have to get? We have to get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Now, we know that for solving this equation, we need this value. That is b square minus 4ac. So, we have to calculate this one first. So, how to write b square minus 4ac is equal to, what is the value of b? That is 6. So, 6 square minus 4 into a, that means 1 into 5. Okay. What is the square of 6? That is 36. Minus 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 5, 20. 4 5s are 20. So when we subtract this, what we have to get? 6, 1. That means 60. So whatever the value of b square minus 4ac put in this equation. Now next step is what? We have to do this one. That is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So put the value of this one. What is the value of b? That is 6. So minus 6 plus minus root of, what is the value of this term? That is 60. So put here 60. Now 2 into a, that means 1. Okay. Now next step, that is minus 6 plus minus, what is the square root of 16? That is 4. 4 square is 16 and 16 square root of 16 is 4. So I have to put here 4. Divided by 2 into 1. Understand this one? Okay. Now next is the, when we talk about the x, first of all consider x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Why? Because here plus and minus sign is there. So we have to take the first plus and then minus. Here plus and then minus. Okay. Then calculate here. X is equal to minus 6 plus 4. Okay. Then what is your remainder? That is 2. Remaining here. That is minus 2 upon 2. Or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4. That is minus 10 upon 2. So this one is x is equal to minus 1. We have to get this value. X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 2 by the 10. So minus 5 is there. That means we have to get here x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, we can write it as the root of the given quadratic equations are, therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 5. Okay. So in this way we have to solve your question number 1. Okay. So if you have to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the next question. Next question, that is x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So first of all compare x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay. C is equal to what? Minus 2 because here minus 2. Okay. Now when we solve this quadratic equation with the formula, we have to find out first of all b square minus 4ac. Okay. So how to calculate this one? Let's put the value of each and every variable. That is b. B value is there minus 3. So minus 3 square minus 4. What is the value of a? 1. What is the value of c? Minus 2. Okay. So minus 3 square is plus 9. Minus 4 into 1, 4. Minus 4 minus 2, that is plus 8. Understand this one? Minus 1, when you multiply minus 4 with minus 2, you have to get plus 8. Okay. Now this one is 17. Okay. That means whatever the value of this one, you have to put in the main formula. That is, what is the formula here? X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So put the value of each and every variable. What is the value of b? That is minus, this minus is put here. Then what is the value of b? Minus 3 plus minus root of, what is the value of this one? That is 17. So put a 17 upon 2 into a value is 1. Now minus and minus, they are plus. So we have to write here 3 plus minus root 17 upon 2. Okay, 2 into 1, that is 2. So this value is, one value is in plus and one value is in minus. That means we have to write here x is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Okay. So we have to get these two values of the x. Can we further simplify it furthermore? No, we cannot simplify it. Okay. So we have to take these as the roots of the given equation. So what we have to write? Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Clear? these are the roots of your given quadratic equations. If you want to write this, take this screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the third number question. Next question, 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. So what is the variable term here? That is, what is the variable used here? That is m. So how to write this? Compare given equation is what? 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0 with am square. Why? Because the variables of this given equation is m. So we have to put a m. So 3am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Then we get, what we have to get? A is equal to what? 3. B is equal to 2. And C is equal to minus 10. So now calculate B square minus 4AC, which is equal to, put the B value here, that is 2 square minus 4, A value is 3 here, and C value minus 7. So what is the square of 2? That is 4. Minus 4 into 3, 12. So 12 into minus 7. So 4, what is the value of 12 into minus 7? What we have to get? That is, we have to get here 84. But it is the plus 84. Then 4 plus 84, it is 88. What we have to get here? 88. Now, next one is there. That is, we have to put the main formula. That is, x is equal to minus b plus minus root of what? B square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then put the value here. That is, what is the value of b? Minus b. Minus sign is there. What is the value of b? That is 2. Plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, that is 88. Next one, 2a. That means a value is here 3. So minus 2 plus minus, when we talk about the 88, it is not the square root of 88, we cannot find out. So we have to factorize this one. When we have to write down 4 into 21. Sorry, 4 into 22. When we multiply 4 into 22, we have to get 88. So how to factorize 88? We know that how to factorize this. This number is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. This one is also divisible by 2. 2 2s are 2 2s are. This number is also divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. This 11 is divisible by 11 itself. Okay. That means what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. And when we talk about the square root, we have to combine these two parts. That means we have to write down 2 square into 22. That means we have to take 2 square is what? 4 into 22. And separate the square root, then we have to get 2 root 22. Because square root of 4 is 2. Clear? Then this way the factorization is done. Okay? Now, we can write it as 88. What? 88 is write it down like 4 into 22 upon what? 6. 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are 6. Now minus 2 plus minus 4 square root of 4, that is 2 under root of 22 upon 6. So this number, the one number is in positive and another number is in negative form. So what we have to do, for numerator we have to take 2 as the common. Okay, what we have to take? We have to take 2 common here, then minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 6. Now this divide this one. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That means we have to write down here minus 1 plus minus root of 22 upon 3. Okay. That means whatever the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 or x is equal to -1 minus root 22 upon 3. That means we have to get these two roots. Okay, this one is first root and this one is the another root. So how to write down? Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are what? -1 plus root 22 upon 3 and -1 minus root 22 upon 3. So in this way we have to solve your question number 3. Only we have to know that how to factorize 88, then it is simple. Or it is otherwise another steps and another procedure is same as we have solved in earlier examples. Now next question we have to solve, that is question number 4. If you have to write this, take the screenshot of it. Okay. Next question, that is question number 4. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So compare this equation here. How to write? Compare 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0 with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to -4, c is equal to -2. Now we have to solve the, or we have to find out value of b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b? That is -4 square. -4, a value is 5, c value is -2. Now, what is the square of 4 minus 4? That is 4 4s are 16. So plus 16. Okay, minus, when we take the square of minus number, we have to take the plus of that number. Okay, that means plus 16 minus 4 minus are 20 and 22s are, that is this one, 4 minus are 20. Then this multiplied by 2, -2. So 16 minus 20 into -2, that is plus 40. Okay, -20 into -2, it is plus 40. Then it is 56. Okay. Now next one, that is we have to put here x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So put the value of here. That is, what is the value of b? That is -4. So is equal to this minus, take it as it is minus, and value of b is -2. Clear? When we write this like this, so you should care about what? Care about the signs. Okay. So here is already minus, but b value is -4. So put there bracket. Okay. Now plus minus. What is the value of this one? This term is 56 upon what we have to write? 2a. A value is 5. Now next, minus minus plus 4 plus minus 56. Factorize this 56. How to factorize this number is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 8 is 16. Then this number is also divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then 2 7s are. Then 7 is divisible by 7 itself. Then how to write this one? We have to write down 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. This is square root. So we have to take here 2 raised to 2 into 7 to the 14. Then 4 into root 14. So what is the square root of 4? We can write it as this number 56 as 4 into 14. Okay. Divided by 10. Clear? How to calculate? This is your rough work. You can't write this. Take the screenshot of it. Okay. This is rough work. Okay. Then when you multiply 4 into 14, then we have to get the 56. Now 4 plus minus. What is the square root of 4? That is 2. So 2 root of 14 upon 10. So we have to get this number. Clear? So now we have to take common from numerator, that is 2. How to take 2 as the common? Then what is remaining here? That is 2. plus minus root 14 upon 10. So divide this, 2 ones are and 2 fives are. Then what we have to get? That is 2 plus minus root of 14 upon 5. Clear? Okay. If you have to see the common from these two numbers, then you have to take first common and then calculate the further steps. Okay. Now next one is there, that is we have to get the value x is equal to 2 plus minus root of 14 upon 5. So first of all calculate plus value, that is 2 plus root of 14 upon 5, or x is equal to 2 minus root of 14 upon 5. That means you have to get these two roots. Okay. Bracket this one. Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are 2 plus root 14 upon 5 and 2 minus root 14 upon 5. Okay. So in this way we have to solve your question number 4 as well. Now next question, that is question number 5. Okay. So we have to solve your next question, that is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. So for solving such equation, what is the value of b? That is 1 upon 3. That means it is in the rational form. But whatever the value of b, we consider it as the whole number. That means we can't consider the denominator part. That means we have to consider only 1, 3. So when we cancel this 3, when we multiply the 3 itself. So 3 get cancelled, then 1 is remaining. So for this purpose, we have to multiply this given equation by 3. Okay, so how to write? Multiply given equation by 3, both sides. Okay, so what we have to get? 3y square plus 3 into 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 into 3. Now 3y square plus 3, this 3 and this 3 will cancel. What is the remaining here? That is y is equal to 6. Now 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this now equation is in the quadratic equation format. So how to write? Compare 3y square plus y minus 6 with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to what? 3, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Clear? So find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b? That is 1. So 1 square minus 4, a value is 3 and c value is minus 6. So 1 square is a 1. Then 4 into 3, 12 and minus 6. 12 6 are 72. Okay, 12 6 are 72. But you have 1 plus 72. Why? Because plus minus 12 into minus 6 is plus 72. So what is the value of this one? That is 73. Clear? Now, next one is there. That is y is equal to what? Y is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So put the value of b minus b value is 1 plus minus what is the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 73. Put it 73 upon 2 into a. A value is there, that is 3. Clear? A value is here, that is 3. So now what we have to get? minus 1 plus minus 73 upon 6. So 73 is the prime number. So we cannot factorize this one. When we factorize, only two factors are there, 73 and 1. So we cannot factorize it. So therefore, y is equal to minus 1 plus minus. We have to write down first plus value plus 73 upon 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus 73 upon 6. So these are the two roots. Okay. So therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are minus 1 plus 73 upon 6 and minus 1 minus 73 upon 6. Okay. So in this way we have to solve the question number 5 also. Listen here, in previous example, the variable is m and I am using x. X is equal to, I have to write this formula, that is b minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But instead of the x, the given equation or the given quadratic equation contains the m variable. So just correct, instead of x you have to write down m. Okay, why? Because the given quadratic equation is in the m variable format, not a x variable format. So please correct this part. Okay, like this one. What is this equation? That is y square is equal plus 1 upon 3y. So whatever the variable used here, the name is what? Y. So therefore we have to use here y is equal to this term, and we have to calculate y is equal to like this. Okay. So therefore we have to change the just variable name. So please change correct the previous example. Okay. So now next question, that's question number 6. If you want to write this, take this screenshot of it. Next question, that is question number 6. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. So compare 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Now calculate b square minus 4ac. Okay, put the value of b here 13. 13 square minus 4, 5 into 8. So what is the value of 13 square? That is 169. Okay, 169 minus 4 5s are 20 into 8. Then 169, that is 160. Okay, 20 into 8, that is 160. So what is the remaining here? That is 9 itself. Okay. Now x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, put the value of variable, that is minus b value is 13 plus minus root of 9 upon 2 into 5. Then minus 13 plus minus root of 9 upon 2 into 5, that is 10. So it is possible to solve furthermore. Okay. So it is not possible actually. So yes, what is the square root of 9? That is 3. So 10 is there. Now x is equal to what we have to do? Plus 13 minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Just separate the sign. Okay. Then what we have to get? Minus 13 plus 3. That is minus 10 upon 10. Or plus 13 minus 13 minus 13 minus 3. That is minus 16. upon 10. Okay. Then 10 ones are 10 ones are. So what we have to get? Minus 1. Or 2 yes, cut this number from 2. That is 2 5s and 2 8s. That means minus 8 upon 5. That means we have to get this 2 roots. Clear? And write down the last statement. Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 8 upon. Okay. So in this way, we have to solve the question number 6. Okay. Now, the last question from this practice set, that is question number 3. Okay. So we have to solve this. This question is depend on activity type question. Okay. So if you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the question number 3. The last question, that is question number 3 from this practice set 2.4. With the help of flow chart. What is the meant flow chart? That means we have to define the flow for solving this quadratic equation. Means after one step, what we have to do? After second step, what we have to do? Means we have to define the flow of solving the quadratic equation. This is the flow chart. Given below, solve the quadratic equation, that is x square plus 2x 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 using the formula. By using the formula, we have to solve this one. So, for solving this, first of all, we have to define your flow chart. First step is what? Compare the equations x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and find the value of a, b and c. And after this step, we have to do this one. Second step, that is find the value of b square minus 4ac. And then this one is the third step. Okay, that is write the formula to solve the quadratic equation. And this one is the last step, that is fourth. Substitute the value of a, b, c and find the roots. Okay. So for solving this, we have to follow these steps. So what is in first step? I am to write here. Compare the equation and find the value of a, b and c. So what we have to write? Compare equations x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what we have to get? We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Okay, that means your first step is completed. This one is your first. Now second. What is given here? That is find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So write down here b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b square, that is 2 root 3 square minus 4. A value is 1 and c value is 3. So when we calculate this one, what is the root of the square of 2? That is 4. What is the square of root 3? That is 3 itself. Yes? Square root and square sign gets cancelled out. Then what we have to get? We have to get the 3. Multiplied by 3. Minus 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So 4 into 3 here, that is 12. So 12 minus 12, we have to get here 0. Okay, that means we have to calculate or we have to complete step number 2 also. Now step number 3. Step number 3. Write the formula to solve the quadratic equation. So what is the formula here? X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, 4ac upon 2a. Now this one is your third step. Now fourth one. That is substitute the value a, b, c and find the roots. This we have to find. Write down the values. what is the value of b? That is minus 2 root 3 plus minus root of, that is 0 upon 2 into 1. Then what you have to get? Minus 2 root 3 plus minus root 0. What is the value of this one? That is 0 itself. Okay? That is 0. Okay? That means plus minus 0 means nothing is there, and then 2 divided by 2. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Then what is the remaining here? Minus 3. Okay, what is remaining here? Minus 3. So therefore, x is equal to minus 3, comma, minus 3. Therefore, roots of given quadratic equation are minus 3 and minus 3. Clear? We have to get only minus 3. But when we talk about the roots of the quadratic equation, there are 2 roots. That means minus 3 is repeated. That means 2 times they are, okay, written now. That is minus 3 and minus 3. Okay, so in this way we have to complete a question number 3 also. If you have to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now today we have to stop here. We have to complete all the questions from this exercise. Sorry, practice set 2.4. Okay. So I hope you have to understand from this video. So please like it, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you, students.